Okay, I'm probably gonna get yelled at for this one, but let's talk about Flow, Google's AI filmmaking tool.
Flow can be a little hard to control.
You don't know how to fly! Look out! He's gonna wreck the whole place! He's wrecking the spaceport! Watch out, everyone! Run for your lives!
And it takes a little bit to get used to, but you can get some pretty insane results with it.
With Flow, you're the director. Flow turns your words and reference images into an 8-second video. But be warned, it can get weird. Your text prompt, reference images, and even your scene complexity all matter. Here's how to get the best results. Let's start with dialogue. With Flow, it's all about the math. To reduce the AI glitches, simply count your words.
A great rule is 16 to 24 words max for an 8 seconds clip. Too many words will make Flow glitch out, and you'll start getting that AI slop.
When you're ready to build a video, just enter your prompt details, select video or image, set your aspect ratio, and how many versions to generate.
Two other important settings are video quality. I'm on fast because I'm poor. The second is frame to frame or ingredients. Ingredients is my go-to.
Think of ingredients as anchors. Upload up to 3 images to lock your style, just like I did for this clip.
I generate 10 to 15 video clips to get one I like. So a video like this one will cost you about $50. Flow eats credits. Google's Pro plan is $1,000 monthly, while Ultra is $25,000. Plus, you can buy more.
So is Google Flow a legitimate AI filmmaking tool? Honestly, I don't think it's there yet, but it's killer for making content and demos. Well, I'm out of time. Reach out if you need help with content or products. Until next time, giddy up.